Today I'm going to be replacing the exhaust on my Ram 3500. This has the 6.7 Cummins diesel in it. Currently the truck has a 4-inch straight pipe turbo back, and I put that straight pipe on there about 5 years ago, and the truck has, I put on about 150,000 miles in that time frame, so it's starting to rust out. I had a hanger break off in the back. You might be able to tell this is hanging a little low, and the hangers in the middle are on the fritz as well. So I figured I have to replace it, might as well upgrade. I'm going to 5-inch. This is 5-inch stainless steel right here from the turbo back. I'm not going to make a video on how to replace it. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to just cut the old hangers off with the saws all there, and cut the pipe wherever I need to, and get it off. The only real nuts and bolts you have is this one flange right here where it connects to the turbo. I'm going to do a comparison video. I took some before videos so you could hear the sound. I got a pretty cool video of me getting on it through a tunnel, so it's really loud. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna get after it. Oh, and if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything, you know, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. All right, let's get after it. There you have it, guys. I know it's probably hard to capture good comparison with the sound, you know, through these videos. So I'll just tell you my quick opinion. The 5-inch is definitely bassier and deeper sounding. The 4-inch has a little bit more of a rasp to it. They're both great exhausts, don't get me wrong. They're both very loud. If you're coming from stock, I would actually recommend you probably just going with a 4-inch, because I mean the difference is huge. It's night and day. When I put this 4-inch on here originally, I mean it felt like it was a new motor in the truck. The only downside to the 5-inch, I would say, is there's definitely more cab drone. And if you're not familiar with that term, it just means like there's more of like a vibration and, like, you know, like a humming sound inside the cab, which I didn't have as much with the 4-inch pipe. So I would say that's the only downside. It's not enough that's going to make me, you know, go put a muffler or something crazy like that on the truck, but it's noticeable. Especially on the long highway drives. You know, you got your windows up, and you know, you could really hear it then. But thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel.